Here we have quite a grubby PS2 keyboard which we're going to clean up. If we take a closer look at the keys, we can see the amount of grime and dirt that's built up on top of them. That's just a combination of dirt and grease from people's hands. First thing we'll do is we'll make sure that we remove any debris that's built up underneath these keys. To do that, we can simply use a compressed air can, an air duster. This is a very cheap one, very simple. Comes with a straw which we simply insert into the nozzle. And now we should tilt the keyboard downwards and use the air duster in between the keys to blow out any debris. I've now finished air dusting out the keyboard, and you can see the amount of debris that was underneath there, so it's well worth doing that job periodically just to make sure the keys all function properly. And the next thing we'll do is clean the surface of the keys. There are lots of different types of cleaner on the market for cleaning keyboards and monitors. Here we've just got a couple of examples. This is a liquid, and this one here is a foam cleaner. Either will do, but what's quite important is we don't spray the liquid directly onto the keyboard. That could then get underneath the keys and could get into the contacts underneath the keyboard. Instead, what we should do is use a cloth, preferably a soft microfiber cloth that doesn't have any stiff fibres in it that will scratch the surface of the plastic. We've now finished cleaning the keys. If you take a closer look, you can see they're in much better shape now. And before we give the keyboard back to the user, we should just check first of all that there are no bent pins in the connector. This is a PS2 connector, so we'll take a look there, make sure all the pins are straight. Give the keyboard a bit of a chance to dry out, maybe a few hours. If we've been using a cloth and spraying our liquid or foam onto the cloth, that shouldn't be a big problem, but we'll just give the keyboard a bit of a chance to dry out and then we can reconnect it to the system.